Hi guys, tomorrow is the wedding day for my nephew. So I'm in Spain at the moment. I've come to be a guest, a wedding guest at the wedding tomorrow. I'll be showing you some of the photos. So I am in a place called Casa Rural. It is a place in Spain, all the way from England to. Today I'm going to take you on a house tour where we are in a rural place called Casa Rural, a beautiful place. And I'll be showing you where we are staying. This Airbnb where we are staying as a family. So in here is the lounge, quite beautiful. We are staying here for some time, and while we wait for the wedding tomorrow in Casa Rural. So this house is called Casa Santi. Casa Santi. It's a beautiful house, and it has accommodated the family, and we are all excited about the wedding tomorrow. Wedding is coming. So have a look at the Airbnb. Have a look at the lounge. That's the fireplace with a mirror. It's really beautiful. And we have a widescreen TV hanging over there. This is the lounge. And it has some beautiful cities here. This is a city we have in the lounge. It's well decorated, as you can see. That's the widescreen TV there. Beautiful lampshades in this Airbnb. It is extremely beautiful. As we go down, we have wide windows there. And that's an exercise bike for the young ones or the old ones to exercise. Wow, look at the flowers here. A vase of beautiful flowers in Casa Santi. Lampshade is really awesome. I love the windows. I really love the windows. Look at the beautiful windows. Yeah, those are the windows. They bring lots of light. We have another city here. Look at this city. It is there, two-seater, and another large seater there. So there's a bookshelf there. We can have a read at any time of one of those books. The doors are extremely beautiful. So this is the quick look of the house. That's the house where we are staying, with the big TV, the mirror, the fireplace, and another city here. We have a bathroom there, a toilet there. This is the entrance. Now I'll take you to the dining area. We have a beautiful dining area here. Oh, look at that dining area for the family to enjoy the meals there. So it's a 12-seater. So this is the dining area. It's really beautiful. The lights over there, another television there, and some wall decorations there. So this is the amazing dining area. We are cooking in this kitchen area. This is the kitchen area with well-built kitchen cupboards. It's really awesome. I love this kitchen. The colors are really cool and nice. And what can I show you in this kitchen area? We do have, of course, the sink is there. We have some decorations there. We have an oven here. And the exclusive fridge freezer. The cooker. The cooker is right in my eyes here. Items. This is the storeroom. Now let's go ahead. So we have 4 bedrooms downstairs there. There are 4 beautiful bedrooms. People are still sleeping there. We go upstairs to my bedroom. Whoa, 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 look at the passion. Well laden with flowers. With some plants there. This is the patio. It's overlooking a garden of natural trees. We go upstairs. Shower and toilet in there. So let me take you to my bedroom. A window there up there. I have just opened it, overlooking the natural garden. We have a heater there. I can pack my clothes here. There's a fan there. This is the amazing bed. This is where I am relaxing, and that's my bed there. Let me show you my sister's bedrooms, where they are spending their night. So this is another landing here. There's a fire extinguisher there and a little cupboard. There's another bedroom, guest bedroom there. Yeah, the occupant is still sleeping. Now I come to my sister's bedroom. They had a good night. Beautiful rug in Casa Santi. We have a nice dresser here. So that's the overview of the other bedroom. I'll be coming to show you more and more photos